Let's continue with chapter 3 in cells. What do we have? We have cytoskeleton. And what are the three parts of the cytoskeleton? What does it do? Well, it creates the infrastructure and basically the shape of the cell. There's only three sizes, and the three sizes are small, medium, and large. Great thing about video is I can go really fast and you guys can just rewind. So small, medium, and large. What do we have for small? We have microfilaments. What do we have for medium? Just like middle school and intermediate school, we have intermediate filaments. And then the last one, large, are actually what we call microtubules. That's a difference. So we have filament, and then the very large one is going to be a tube. Continue on from there. We have plasma membrane. We'll cover that shortly and talk about the components of the plasma membrane. Let's keep going on with this. Microvilli. What's the difference between microvilli and cilia again? If we didn't cover this, that's okay. We're going to have fun with it. So Cilia, imagine a girl and her name is Cilia and she has long eyelashes and she's saying, "Come here." Okay, so cilia are for movement. What are microvilli for? Microvilli are for increasing surface area. The more surface area you have, the better the chance that something is going to cross it. So here's a really great example. Let's say you're at home. Please don't throw this at your screen, but imagine doing it. I have a circle here and I tell you, you have to be able to throw some kind of baseball or tennis ball at that circle. Are you going to be able to make it? Some of you are saying, yes, I can make it. Others are saying, no, I can't. What happens if I say you have the entire screen that you can throw your baseball or your tennis ball at? Well, I've just increased the surface area. More surface area means I have more chance of something crossing the surface that I'm trying to look at. So microvilli are for surface area and cilia are for come here movement. Good. So again, cilia was for movement. Proteasomes, don't worry too much about that. I'm not going to test you heavily on it. Just remember it's associated with the breakdown of proteins, proteasomes, protein breakdown. And then ribosomes, what do? They are for protein, right? And what are the two different types of ER? We said smooth ER and rough ER. Which one is associated with protein production? That was rough ER because it has ribosomes on it. What's the difference between ribosomes that are free-floating inside of the cell and ribosomes that are attached to the rough ER? Well, the difference is whether or not you're going to keep it inside the cell or you're going to export it out the cell. So if I want to keep it inside the cell, all I do is I have free-floating ribosomes. They make the protein stays in the cell. If I have ribosomes that are attached to rough ER, they're going to export it out the cell.